Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to update your main menu or navigation menu on your Mighty Sites website. So the first thing that I'll do is click here on Update Section, and for any of these existing links in your main menu, you just simply click on this pencil if you'd like to edit the link, and you can change what it says. So, let's say I want this to say my services, great. And then I can choose the link. So maybe I want them to call me or email me or click on directions. I can change the action so that when they click that link, it automatically calls me or brings up directions on their phone or opens their email to email me. I can also change where it links on my website. So if I want it to link to a different section of the website, I can do that. Or I can link out to another website if I'd prefer that as well. So if all that looks good, I just click update. And now if I save my menu, you'll see that it says my services instead. So I can also, in the main menu, I can also delete a menu item. So let's just say I don't want the location there anymore. Now I save the menu, again, it'll reload, and now the location is gone. Now, I may also be interested in adding a menu item. So if I want to add something brand new, let's just say that I have another website that I want to link to. I can add a menu item that says my other website. And then I can just select the link and paste it in here. And when I do that, so I'll go to, let's just say Yahoo. So let's just say I want to link to Yahoo for some reason. Just paste in Yahoo, click confirm, save the menu again. Whoops, I skipped a step. That's why we're doing this. So I go here, add a menu item, my other website, choose the link, paste in the Yahoo website, click add to menu, then save the menu, make sure it works, and there we go. Now I can link out to another website if I'd prefer to. So that is how easy it is to add a link to your main menu or make any edits or changes to your menu items. One other thing, you can also reorder them. So let's just say that instead of about being there, I'd like about to be down here. I can make that change, save the menu, and close it. And now you see I moved the location of the about. So really easy to add or edit your main menu and all the navigation there. You can do pretty much anything that you want to do in terms of linking to your directions, your email, your social media. You could even do that. You can link to other websites, and you can reorder these in whatever order you like and rename them anything you'd like them to, or link to any different section of your new website that you'd like to too. So that's how easy it is to edit the main menu on your website.